Third problem. One by 1 minus 2x whole square multiplied by 1 minus 3x. Now, 1 by 1 minus 2x whole square into 1 minus 3x equals to a by 1 minus 2x plus b by 1 minus 2x whole square plus c by 1 minus 3x. Let us simplify this one. 1 by 1 minus 2x whole square 1 minus 3x equals to 1 minus 2x whole square into 1 minus 3x. This is a times 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x plus b of 1 minus 3x plus c of 1 minus 2x whole square. A of 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x plus b of 1 minus 3x plus c of 1 minus 2x whole square equals to 1. First, let us substitute x is equal to 1 by 2. So, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. B of 1 minus 3 by 2 equals to 1. So, that implies b of minus 1 by 2 equals to 1. B equals to 1 by minus 1 by 2, that is equal to b is equal to minus 2. Now, we know the b value. So, now similarly 1 minus 2x is 0. So, that is completed already. So, now let us go for 1 minus 3x. So, put x is equal to 1 by 3. So, now this becomes 0, this becomes 0. C of 1 minus 2 by 3 whole square equals to 1. So, that implies C of 1 by 3 whole square equals to 1. 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9. So, C by 9 is equal to 1, C equals to 9. Now, we have to find out next a value. Equating x square coefficients. Equating x square coefficients on both sides. Here very carefully we have to do it in this problem regarding, because minus 2x into minus 3x is 6x square, and again this 6x square is multiplied by a. So, we get 6ax square. So, in the first term x square coefficient is 6a. So, 6a write down. So, next let us come to the last one. Here minus 2x whole square is 4x square, but multiplied by c 4cx square. Here x square coefficient is 4c. So, x square coefficient of left hand side becomes 6a plus 4c equals to. So, in the right hand side there is no x square term, there is no x term. So, since x square term is absent, it's simultaneously its coefficient becomes 0. So, 6a plus 4c is equal to 0. Now, 6a equals to minus 4c, where c is equal to 9. Now, minus 4 by 4 into 9, a equals to minus 36 by 6. So, minus 6, a equals to minus 6. So, now partial fractions. the partial fractions here. Therefore, now 1 by 1 minus 2x whole square into 1 minus 3x is equal to a value, b value, c value. These three values are to be substituted. A is minus 6. So, minus 6 by 1 minus 2x. B is minus 2 by 1 minus 2x whole square, and C is 9. So, plus 9 by 1 minus 3x. Fourth problem. Fourth one, resolve 1 by x cube into x plus a. So, now 1 by x cube into x plus a equals to a by x plus b by x square plus c by x cube plus d by x plus a. Here x is repeated for 3 times. So, 3 partial fractions. This is non-repeated. So, we get only 1. So, this is 1 by x cube x plus a. Here x cube of x plus a. This divided by x means we get a times x square of x plus a. This divided by this b x of x plus a plus c of x plus a plus dx cube. This gets cancelled. So, a x square of x plus a plus b x of x plus a plus c of x plus a plus dx cube equals to 1. Now, put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So, c of a equals to 1, c equals to 1 by a. Now, put x is equal to minus a. If you put x is equal to minus a, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. D of minus a cube equal to 1. So, d equals to minus 1 by a cube. Now, only 2 values so far we have determined. Now, we have to find out here AB values. So, in order to find out AB values, actually we cannot find by means of substitution, but only the way we have already discussed, comparing the coefficients or equating the appropriate coefficients. So, now let us equate first x cube coefficients on both sides. Equating x cube coefficients on both sides. So, now left hand side you see x square into x is x cube. So, a here d, a plus d. So, you know quite obviously right hand side there is no x cube coefficient. So, 0. Now, we know the d value, since d is equal to minus 1 by a cube, a is minus d, minus of minus plus. So, 1 by a cube. So, a equals to 1 by a cube. Now, to get b value, equating x square coefficients, on both sides. So let us see, observe here. Here ax square into small a, that means a small a small a small a. Here bx into x square small b, so plus small b equals to 0 here. Now we know the a value here, so that means since a is equal to 1 by a cube, so a by a cube is 1 by a square plus b is equal to 0. Now b is equal to minus 1 by a square. So now we know a, b, c, d values. Therefore, we can find out partial fractions of 1 by x cube into x plus a. Now a by x means 1 by a cube x, b by x square minus 1 by a square x, c by x cube means 1 by a plus 1 by a x cube. Next d by x plus a, d is minus 1 by a cube minus 1 by a cube of x plus a.